We want strategies on directly connecting with your sphere of influence, people in your sphere network of people that you already know or know of. Then keep watching this video, because I'm going to give you and share some strategies with you that you can implement to directly connect with your sphere so they can choose you as a realtor. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent, and a global team leader with eXp Realty brokerage. I'm also a kvCORE peer coach with Inside Real Estate. If this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you so much. And please click on that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you get updates on more content like this. And if you have any questions at all throughout this video or anything about my content, you can leave it in the comment section below and I'd be happy to answer them. And if you want to work with me, partner with me, get access to any of my training videos, anything that I mentioned in my videos, you know what to do. Go to the description below and check it out. There's a ton of resources in there, including some of my own equipments and tools that I use to record my videos. So, and tons of videos on here. So go to that playlist and check out all the videos that I can help you with your business. So let's talk about sphere of influence. And I know when I talk about sphere or SOI marketing, sphere of influence marketing, people often get confused as to what that includes. And it's a set of all the people that you know or may know of, and people that are you've known all your life. And people could be lost connections, they could be acquaintances, family, friends, old friends. These are people that know you, they may like you, and they may trust you, and you want to build that trust over time. And I know things don't happen overnight, but you can also get to build those relationship back up again, because if they're old friends that you haven't connected with, how do you do that a little bit more directly? And I have a video that's coming out about how to indirectly connect with people, because I know a lot of my agents and I've had conversations where it could be tough to go back to old friendships and old connections and say, hey, I'm a realtor, work with me, but without having to have any other relationship. And there's been a big gap in a long time. So how do you do that in a subtle way, and how to get them into your database in the back end of your CRM or kvCORE so you can start to nurture them properly and start to really help them, and so they can choose you as a realtor. Stay tuned for that video. So let's talk about some direct strategies on how to leverage your CRM, but also leveraging the people, the network in your database, because it's so important. Because often we get so caught up in thinking about how to do this that we lose the opportunity, and then we run ads and we start to target strangers when we can dip into our own back pocket, in our own backyard, of people we've known all our lives. So a couple of strategies that I recommend that you start with is, first, identify who they are and where they are. Are they on Facebook? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they in your phone contacts? Are they on Instagram? Where are they? And they may be a little bit of everywhere. And how do you connect with them? So first of all, if you know where they are, let's go get them, right? And explore strategies to really engage with them. If you could do it in a relevant, more meaningful messages, that would be awesome. If it's their birthday and you can wish them happy birthday, maybe it's they've announced that it's they got a new job on LinkedIn. Maybe now you can actually have a conversation about building the relationship. Maybe you can even give it as if you read a 12-week year book or anything of that sort about building relationship. I recommend maybe you just book in your calendar once a week, you're going to restart a relationship again and maybe meet with people. And that's just a little bit direct way to rebuild these relationships. And again, reconnect, rebuild those relationships through going out for coffee, taking them to events. You can invite them. You can do your own, like I mentioned in the indirect way in the videos coming up, you can run a giveaway and tell people, hey, I'm launching my business, or host an event. One of my agents did that, who's in Galveston, Texas, and it was actually a surprise. Her partner put it on for her and her family. And you could do an event where you are launching your business as a realtor and you want to let everybody know and you want to invite them. And that'll be such a great way to reconnect and build those relationships. And if you can stay committed to doing face-to-face engagement, that would be ideal, because these are relationships of people you've known in the past before. Why not reconnect with them? Why not get in touch with them again, so that you're able to rebuild that relationship in a more meaningful way and stay connected with them? Because remember, this isn't just one deal that you'll do with them. Maybe you help their family and their friends, and bonus, you get an amazing relationship that you get to rebuild out of it. And my recommendation also, allow these social media platform that you already have them connected to and they're already probably on a daily basis, and allow them to see you. Start these algorithm. I have over 1,000 friends on my Facebook, and a lot of them are still posting content, are still engaging, but I don't see them because I haven't connected. I haven't been engaging with their content. So it's pushing the people that I'm actually genuinely liking and commenting to the forefront, but it's missing everybody else. So my recommendation is going to into these platform where they are, where your sphere, these network are, and who they are, and start to wish them happy birthday, genuinely like their content. Maybe you want to start to comment on their last post, and have meaningful conversation, because now Facebook will start to have your content be seen to them so they can see it. So this is where it's part of your social media plan anyway. You're already posting about your home buyer tips, you're already posting about seller home tips, you're posting about the market report, you're posting about home evaluation, top properties to buy, newly listed properties. I can go on about social media strategies and all the content that you want to post. So now they can actually see your content. You're probably making all these YouTube videos, home tours, but they can't even see them. So my recommendation is start with commenting, liking, even congratulating people, and such an easy, simple way for the algorithm to work in your favor. Like in LinkedIn, every time people change jobs, their anniversaries, you could easily be in there a couple of minutes a day and constantly commenting and connecting with people. And my always recommendation, birthdays are the best. So you can leverage social media. You can send a video. That's such a really good way to do it, because now they know that you spend time and energy to do it. So you clearly care about them. And so that's a really good way to do it. Or you can automate it through, if you have their phone number, put it into something like kvCORE. But mind you, they didn't opt into all of your business emails. So don't, make sure that they're not getting flooded with drips and emails. Just a birthday text message, and you could do that, or an email if you have it, and simply wishing them happy birthday. You're not talking about your business, none of that stuff. But if you want to do it, why not do it in a social media platform that you're already in posting? So it's such a good, really good way to just get in there and build that relationship. And also an audio message also works really well as well. Like if you want to leverage the voicemail drop functionality in your CRM like kvCORE platform. I have a video on this. It's such a great way. Without even having to ring, it'll go into their voicemail. There's lots of implication as to it. I know in some states and province you're not allowed to do that, but you can leverage this tool if that is applicable in your area. And also holiday is such a good way, or Valentine's Day and Mother's Day, Father's Day, these special holidays is such a good, really good way to send digital cards or videos or photos to directly messaging these people that are already in your network, and continue the dialogue. Often we forget about the algorithm. So send those YouTube videos, send those messages. If there's something that you see funny, like a meme, tag them and say, oh my goodness, I remember you and I laughing about this years ago, look at that, and then reconnect like that. So the algorithm knows that you're interested, so they push your feed to them. And also find something that the person would like I mentioned, like find things that you're the people in your network, because you know them, you clearly had this relationship from before, that they may find funny, but also something that they might find interesting, like top 20 most expensive properties in LA, and then you can say, I saw this online, reminded me of you, and you and I used to watch the show. Or I thought you might find this interesting. Or like any fun facts, or if you and your friend used to in the back in the day used to love haunted houses, you can share that. So again, if you could, my recommendation is always putting a strategy, because I'm huge on time management, I'm huge on systems and process. So if you can plug it into your calendar, maybe once a day, once a week, or whatever you want to do, maybe 5 people a week you want to connect with. And now you can slowly go down your friends list, your contacts, wherever they are, and start to identify, how am I going to directly message these people and build a meaningful relationship? And I know initiating that engagement and the conversation can be tough, especially where you left off. But this is why I recommend rekindling those relationships and reuniting them and restarting them and reconnecting, because you don't know how these people can benefit from you, and how you can help them as well, and not just you benefiting from this relationship. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I run a ton of training about content like this is just really scratching the surface of what you can do. I love to share my screen and show you what these content could look like when you leverage systems like kvCORE. So stay tuned. It's a great time to hit that notification bell, subscribe button, so you can get get updates on more content like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to work with me, partner with me, join my group here, EXP Realty, you know what to do. Click on that link in the description, book a call with me. I love to meet with you. No obligation whatsoever. You can just ask an information so you can compare the value of the people that you're looking to align with. Again, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.